Hello guys, and welcome to a new video where I will talk about the generics, what they are and how to use them, and how to create a class with generics. Just click on the subscribe button and let's go. This video belongs to a playlist of Java for beginners. You can follow the video with the same project I have. You can find the link in the video's description to download the project. The generics were introduced in Java long time ago to allow a class to handle some data type in a generic form. The easiest example are the lists. A list can contain heterogeneous data, strings, integers, floats, and more data types. Or have a list of homogeneous data, only strings, only integers, only floats, etc. The second option is more interesting, as I don't need to check the type and have to cast my items. Here is a list of heterogeneous data. I can add any data type I want. But an heterogeneous list isn't very useful in an application. I should have a separated list for integers, another separated list for strings, and so on. This is called the diamond operator. In the left side, I indicate which class type my list will accept. And in the right side, I can leave it empty, as it's already indicated in the left side. When using the var keyword, I will need to indicate it in the right side. And if I try to add another class type inside my string list, I will get a compilation error. But how is built the list class? Where can I see that the list class accepts generics? Here is the diamond operator again, with an E inside. E doesn't mean anything. E stands for an arbitrary class type. It could be T or U or F or any other level. So let's try to create my own class which accepts a generic. And let's now instantiate it. And I can use any other object. But my class is empty. Let's add some more logic inside. As I don't know what kind of generic type will be used, I continue to use the t declared in the class name inside my method. If it's a string, it will print a string. If it's a number, it will print a number. I don't care about the type. Java will handle the print for me. The t can be used in the input parameters, in the output parameters, or even in private fields. The lists or the maps are the examples where I can save all the class types. And for the custom generic classes, it becomes very useful when I work with interfaces and different implementations. I can create a class which accepts a generic type of any implementation from an interface. This way I indicate that the generic type must extend or implement the list interface. This becomes very interesting when I have my own interface and multiple implementations. That's all for the video. If you want to practice a little bit with the generics, you can find some exercises below. Read the assignments and write what's asked. You can run the unit tests to validate them as follow. And finally, you have the solutions in another link in the video's description. Don't forget the thumbs up if you liked the video, and see you in the next video. Bye!